Hello, this is Javian. Today I'll be showing you how to make these local bakery inspired donuts with these cute little sprinkles that definitely remind me of my childhood. So these are often found in the local bakeries in Singapore and Malaysia, and they are absolutely one of my favorite. So first up, let me go through the ingredients, and they are very easy and needing very simple and straightforward ingredients. So of course, when it comes to the toppings, it's completely flexible depending on what you like. So firstly, you want to assemble your wet ingredients together, which is your vegetable oil, melted butter, 2 eggs, as well as vanilla, which is not shown here, but please make sure to add that. So you just want to whisk it together until it achieves a single consistency, such that you can't identify any of the single ingredient anymore. So after which you want to add in your sugar. So here I'm using castor sugar because it gives a finer finish, but you can use granulated normal white sugar, no problem, as well as maybe even substitute it for brown sugar. Subsequently, I added milk and to whisk it in. So this one you will want to do it in portions. As you can see, I add in the milk followed by the flour and to whisk it in after every addition. So this will produce a clumpy batter. So doing so ensure that the flour and the milk and the wet ingredients mix better together. So after which the final one, I just want to fold and make sure that every single dry ingredient is well incorporated, especially well mixed since we're using a lot of baking powder here. Then you want to grease your donut pan. So here I'm just using flavorless vegetable oil such as canola or sunflower. These are flavorless and really good for greasing. Then I will fill in the donut pan to about half full to ensure that they do not burst or overflow. Subsequently is to just bake them until they are golden brown, so they will form very nice golden circles. And after which, for me, I use melted chocolate as my base or medium, and to dip them into the sprinkles or toppings that you want. So here is very flexible. You can use toasted coconut, toasted almonds, even fresh fruits and edible flowers. But again, for me, I chose these sprinkles because they bring me back to my childhood, and they are really versatile. So this is definitely one of my favorite parts, the assembling, and you can even get your kid or a relative to help. So yeah, here you can see the finished product that I'm so happy with. They definitely bring me back to my childhood. Really simple, really sweet, melty chocolate donuts. So with that, thank you for watching this short recipe, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And yeah, bye!